पश्चिम एशिया में जारी संकट के बीच केंद्र सरकार ने देश में हवाई सेवाओं और ईंधन आपूर्ति को लेकर स्थिति पूरी तरह सामान्य होने का भरोसा दिया। अंतर मंत्रालयी प्रेस वार्ता में सरकार ने कहा कि पेट्रोल, डीजल, एटीएफ और प्राकृतिक गैस का पर्याप्त भंडार उपलब्ध है और लोगों को घबराकर खरीदारी करने की जरूरत नहीं है। पेट्रोलियम मंत्रालय के अनुसार सभी रिफाइनरियां सामान्य रूप से काम कर रही हैं। पिछले 3 दिनों में 1.43 करोड़ एलपीजी सिलेंडर वितरित किए गए हैं, जबकि कालाबाजारी रोकने के लिए देश भर में सख्त कार्रवाई और छापेमारी जारी है।
Despite the ongoing situation in West Asia, supplies of crude oil, LPG, natural gas remain stable, and adequate stocks of petrol, diesel, LPG are available in the country. Our refineries are operating at optimum level. As far as domestic cooking LPG gas is concerned, no dry out has been reported on the LPG distributorships. Around 99% of the bookings are now online and 96% of the deliveries are through delivery authentication code. During the last 3 days, against the booking of 1.5 crore, the delivery 1.43 crore cylinders were delivered. As far as the commercial LPG is concerned, during the last 3 days, 19,372 ton of commercial LPG has been sold and 649 ton of auto LPG has been sold by the oil marketing companies. Regarding 5 kg FTL cylinders, during the last 3 days, more than 1.57 lakh of 5 kg cylinders were sold, and out of that 9,200 cylinders were sold in 520 camps conducted by oil marketing companies. The vigilance and enforcement action is continuing. With respect to LPG, in the last 3 days, more than 4 FIRs have been registered. Oil marketing companies have also issued show cause notice to almost 13 distributors, and penalties have been imposed on 6, and 2 distributors have been put under suspension. As far as petrol and diesel is concerned, in the last 3 days, more than 1,880 raids were conducted. 2,900 liters of petrol and 6,350 liters of diesel was seized. 18 FIRs were registered. 13 people were arrested across the country. OMCs also have issued show cause notice to 409 dealers. Penalties have been imposed on 19, and 457 dealers have been put under suspension. PNG connection since March 2026, about 8.82 lakh PNG connections have been gasified, and infrastructure has been created for additional 2.98 lakh connections, taking the total to 11.80 lakh connections. Further, about 8.98 lakh customers have been registered for the new connections. Till 3rd of June, more than 80,400 PNG consumers have surrendered their LPG connection. Since 1st June 26, about 1,030 ton of C3C4 molecules and 320 ton of butyl acrylate has been sold by different refineries. And finally, I will request all the citizens to make all efforts, to conserve energy, and I want to assure all the people that the government is making all effort to ensure availability of petrol, diesel and LPG. So avoid panic purchase of petrol, diesel and LPG booking. Beware of rumors and rely on official source of correct information. Citizens are also requested to use alternate fuels like PNG, induction and electric cooktops. Bulk and industrial consumers are requested to procure diesel from authorized procurement channels. Thank you.
आज हम इस कार्यक्रम में आपसे विदा लेते हैं। आप अन्य खबरों के लिए बने रहे। राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, वंदे मातरम, जाग उठा है भारत।
राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम।